In this video, we will show you how to insert checkbox in Microsoft Word. To insert checkbox in Microsoft Word, there are two methods you can use. First, in here, let's open our Microsoft Word. And usually, we will insert the checkbox by click Insert and select Symbol. This is the first method. And you can select more symbol. After you select more symbol, make sure the symbol that you list is using Winding 2, because usually another font in here doesn't have the checkbox, and you can using Winding 2. Just select Winding 2, and this is more checkbox and false checkbox. Also here you can see there is more option. You can click Insert. You can also click another if you want just square like this. This is the first method. Okay, you can also make this checkbox is bigger because this is font. Okay, and the second method, if you want the checkbox in the icon, you can just click Insert and select icons here. After that, you can just type checkbox like this. I'm sorry, checkbox. So you can insert the checkbox that you want. For example, this is, you can see, and this is in the form of image. So if you click this, there is graphic format, but if you click this, there is a font that you can adjust the size and another like this. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to insert checkbox in Microsoft Word. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.